Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me and wanted to know how to make a globe looking item. All I did was go to the internet and picked world maps and got one. I went to images, I went to filters, color, black and white, and I picked one of these. It was pretty good. I actually typed in clip art, black and white, and actually some came up better, like that. And you realize, the United States isn't always in the center of depending on what you want. But pick one that's large. That's huge. That's one I picked right there. I mean, look at the pixels or dots per inch. So pick a nice one. Here's what he was having trouble with. So then I traced it, and I've got it all grouped together. When you're using the lens effect, hit P and put it in the center of the page. So this time I'm going to actually put the other one in the center of the page. So I've got more of Africa. Just pick your circle. That's the key. Don't select everything. Go up to lens effect, fisheye, and then pick frozen. And what it does, it freezes that. That's pretty cool. You could draw another one and have more of the United States. If we move it, over here, but with, you need kind of on the edge. With just the circle selected, fisheye, frozen is the key, because then it freezes that picture. I'm guessing that's what they wanted. And you could change the rate. Let's do another one. And with it selected, go to fisheye. And you can change the percentage rate. Watch it. Watch how the circle or the globe, you could actually pop it out, make it, I don't think you can do anything with anything else. You can move it around, kind of see what it's going to look like. But then always click off that, click on your circle. I might have messed it up where it's not going to work. Go to frozen, and there you have it. Pretty cool. If you were doing, I'm thinking about now doing something like with the moon. Get a picture of the crust of the moon and add it in there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.